Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you are facing the dreaded buffering issue while using Revanced Extended, you're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the buffering problem. So let's get right into it. Before we fix the issue, let's quickly talk about why this buffering might happen. Common causes include poor internet connection, outdated app version, or incorrect settings in Revanced Extended version. Buffering can also occur due to high quality video streaming with slower internet speeds. So first let's check if your internet connection is the culprit. Run a quick speed test to make sure you have enough bandwidth for streaming. Ideally, you need at least 5 Mbps or for HD videos or 10 Mbps for 4K content. If your connection is slow, or try moving closer to your router or switching to a more stable network. So if your connection is fine, the next step is to clear the app's cache and data. Here's how you do it. Open setting into your device, go to apps and management. Now, click on Find Revanced extended in the list, tap Storage and Cache. Click Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This will remove any temporary files that may be causing the buffering issue. Don't worry, your app setting and logins will remain intact. Another important fix is to make sure you're using the latest version of Revanced extended version. Go to the app setting and check for updates. If there are no update availability, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to ensure that you have the latest build with fixes. Next, let's tweak the video quality settings. If you're streaming in high quality and facing buffering, you can lower the resolution to help. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the video screen, select quality, choose a lower resolutions like 720p or 480p depending on the internet speed. Now, if the problem persists, try disabling hardware acceleration in the settings. Go to Revanced, Extended Setting, tap on Player Settings, disable hardware acceleration. This can sometimes solve the performance issue that causes buffering, especially on the older devices. And that's it. So to summarize everything that I've said in the video, to fix the Revanced extended buffering issue, make sure you have stable internet connection, clear the app's cache, update or reinstall the app, and adjust the video quality, and try disabling the hardware acceleration if needed. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.